So my plan is to get this HyEndFed antenna. (40-20-10) HyEndFed. I was thinking, get it in that tree, pull it up, connect it over here in a slant like that, then run the feed line into the house. That way the bugs don't eat me at night. But before it gets dark, let's get this antenna up. I think I got a good throw on the first throw. It's hard to see it on camera, but it's way up there. I got it just to go in. If it'll hold and not just fall off the branch, I'll have a really good spot. Now let's tie it off. I attach this end, get some tension on it, attach this end to one side. Already bugs just like killing me, man. Already. So, within about 10 minutes, and one good throw, I've got this HyEndFed going up, pretty good angle, not super high or anything. I could get this a lot higher if I had a longer. I might do that tomorrow, but for tonight that's good enough. I've got that going up, kind of at a slant. Hard to see, I know. This should work great for tonight. Kind of try to keep it out of people's way. There's a butterfly. Okay, for the first experiment, I have the Whisper transmitter from Zactec, Z-A-C-H-T-E-K. GPS unit, portable power, transmitting red light, and I just hooked it up. 5 minutes, hooked it up to this antenna. going up there. Let's just see if it works. I'm gonna put this on Twitter right now and tomatoes.